In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hotjar for beginners. We'll walk through the main areas of the platform so you understand what each one does and when to use it. By the end, you'll know where to go to answer common questions about your users and your website performance. Once you're logged into Hotjar, start on your homepage. This is the home option in the left-hand column. Think of this as your main dashboard. Here you'll see high-level data like the number of sessions, average session time, bounce rate, and largest contentful paint, or LCP, which is a key page speed metric. Take a moment to look at these numbers. They help you quickly gauge whether things are improving or if there might be issues worth digging into. Next, move over to Dashboards. Click on the Dashboards option in the left navigation. This is where you can view any dashboards that already exist and create new ones by selecting New Dashboard. Dashboards are great for pulling together your most important metrics in one place, so you're not hunting around different reports every time you want an update. From there, click on Journey Analysis. This section helps you track and map every interaction a customer has with your brand across touchpoints like your website, app, support, and email. Use Journey Analysis to understand how people move from discovery to purchase and beyond. It's especially useful for spotting where users get stuck or drop off along the way. Now, click on Funnel. Funnels are focused on conversions. Here you can define key steps, like landing on a product page, adding an item to the cart, and completing checkout. Hotjar will show you where users drop off between steps so you can prioritize what to fix first. Next, select Page Comparator. This view lets you compare multiple pages side by side. It's ideal for analyzing the performance, content, or structure of similar pages, such as different landing pages or product templates, to see what's working best. Then go to Zoning Analysis. This is where you can create and manage zoning on your pages, essentially defining areas of the page and seeing how users interact with them. It helps you understand which sections attract attention and which are being ignored. After that, click on Session Replay. Here you can watch recordings of real user sessions. Use this to see exactly how people navigate, where they hesitate, and what might be causing confusion. Next, click on Impact. Before you dive into the data here, select a goal. The metrics in this area are based on the goal you choose. Once that's set, you can monitor trends in user behavior like sessions over time, conversions over time, and traffic distribution. Inside Impact, you'll see two options. Start by clicking on Real User Monitoring. This shows you how actual visitors experience your site in real time, including performance and behavior data based on real traffic. Then move to the second option, Synthetic Monitoring. This lets you analyze the web performance of your pages using simulated visits. It's useful for detecting issues, testing changes, or comparing the speed and quality between two pages in a controlled way. Next, click on Voice of Customer. This section is all about direct feedback from your users. Here you can set up surveys, tests, and interviews to quickly gather insights in their own words. It's a powerful complement to the behavioral data you see elsewhere in Hotjar. Finally, go to Analysis Setup. This is your configuration hub. Here you can create mappings and view your mapping list, manage your goals by switching to the Goals tab at the top, and click on Segments to view and organize user segments. You can also use Data Connect to sync behavioral, performance, and error data into your data warehouse, keeping everything aligned with your broader analytics stack. And that's the full tour. With these sections, you can move from high-level metrics to detailed user behavior and feedback, all within Hotjar.